Kim Mason, one of the Master IBC trainers here at STI Electronics. Today we're presenting hot tips number 1, acceptance criteria for goal cups. The IBC standard typically evaluates solder terminals separately from wire placement and then for soldering. Most manufacturers do not include any inspection step until the wire has been soldered. So we'll apply all the solder criteria for a goal cup after it has been soldered. Please remember that we are trying to include the criteria from the IBC A610, the IBC A620, and the IBC J Standard 001. As a manufacturer, you're required to follow your contractual obligations for the standard and revision. Let's take a look at what constitutes a great goal cup. This may be referred to as a target condition or acceptable condition. Here, the wire is against the back wall of the cup for the entire depth of the cup. The solder wets the entire inside of the cup, and there's 100% solder fill of the cup. Without the use of X-ray imaging, we will not be able to determine if the wire is inserted for the full depth. However, excessive insulation clearance may be an indication of the wire not fully seated. Goal cups are one of the few instances where a process indicator is specified for Class 3 product. If the wire does not contact the back wall of the cup or other wires, it is a process indicator for Class 2 and 3. If the wire is not inserted for the full depth of the cup, it is a process indicator for Class 2. It is a defect for Class 3. If the vertical fill of the solder in the cup is less than 75%, it is a defect for all 3 classes. If the depression of the solder between the cup and the wire is greater than 50%, it is a defect for Class 1 and 2. And if it's greater than 25%, is a defect for Class 3. Some criteria was not covered because it was considered common sense, such as not modifying a cup to take a larger wire or trimming a wire to fit a cup, or solder buildup on the outside of the cup that affects the form, fit, or function. So this is the end of hot tips number 1. Be sure to contact any of our training staff if you have any questions you would like to have answered in these quick videos. Make sure you check YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn for the next episode of
Hot Tips.
We hope this brief video gives you some idea of our capabilities in the training department. Whether you need customized training, industry certification, online training, training at our facility or yours, we can do it. STI. This is the training you deserve.